But siguro maganda lang doon. I'm proud to say that it's my first time to attend the IPU. But nandun ako sa ASEAN Plus 3 Forum, I told myself na let's make it worthwhile, no? Na hindi naman masayang yung pamasahin natin lahat. So I reiterated the Philippine position on the West Philippine Sea in the presence of China. Nandun, nakikinig, siguro nakita niyo sa post ko, that we do not want war. We want to exhaust all diplomatic means. But sabi nga we speak softly but we carry a big stick, no? Habang we are exhausting diplomatic means, we are dapat on our side we are trying to also to work on our defense. So yung dapat magkaroon tayo ng minimum credible defense posture, inaayos din natin. Kumbaga